A message similar to this one will start to appear once the ventilation system is 80% blocked or more. This message can vary depending on the severity of the blockage. You'll notice that drying performance will be severely reduced. If the blockage continues to grow and completely blocks the vent, the combo will stop the dry cycle to give you an alert message. The screen will also show you a user guide to cleaning the lint filter and vent system. Review these instructions or have the vent professionally cleaned. First, remove any lint from the filter, which is a routine step before running any cycle. Now, inspect and clean the vent ducting. Clean and remove any lint buildup, especially in duct bends and elbows. Ensure that the duct is as short and straight as possible, following all guidelines found in the user manual. It is a good rule of thumb to clean the ventilation duct at least once a year, and anytime you see a blockage notification. Also ensure that the exhaust hood flap is opening and closing freely.